What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So very happy to share our Not Fair by the Kid Laroi from his new album, and we also have featuring Corbin over here. So this one I actually wanted to do yesterday. I didn't get time to do, but this was also requested, so therefore I'm just gonna teach you how to play this song. Not sort of like guitar going, but there's a bass riff over here which goes in the song, and I'm willing to show you everything which is in the song. So let's get started. Now for this song you need the capo a bit high on the 9th fret. So we got the capo on 1, 2, 3. You got the 4. You have the dot over here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The last single dot we have, and after that we have 2 dots on the 12 frets. So the chords are gonna be very simple. So don't worry about the structure. So let's get started. Capo on the 9th fret is mandatory. Now this way to play the chords and the melody at the same time is easy on one hand, and on the other hand it also sounds pretty good. So let's get started. Have a look at the first chord, which is basically a F major 7. I play the top 2 string major with my thumb, then I got the E string, then I got the D string 3, G string 2nd, first fret on the B string, open high E string, so it's F major 7. Then I have a D minor 7, but in this case it's a D minor with a open E, which is again mute, then open on the D, 2nd fret on the G, first fret on the B, and open high E string. And the next chord will be A minor, a lot similar to the D minor chord. It's a mute, open, 2nd, 2nd, first open. And then we have a G major chord, which is 3, 2, open, 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 3. But for this song I specifically like to just remove the pinky off and make that high E string ring, since I did it for almost all the chords. Therefore why not for the G. Now let's have a look at this. So what I'm doing is I'm just playing simple chord shapes. My pinky is actually free, and with that pinky I'm actually doing some sort of melody which is already there in the chord shape, and also some of the notes I'm doing it with my pinky. So it's basically very easy to play. So let's have a look. The chord progression will be a F major 7, D minor 7 with the open E, then A minor, then a G slash E with the open E. So what I'm doing is F major 7 chord, you do 1 down, then you just put your pinky on the 3rd fret, which is basically a 12th fret with the other capo. Put it on the 3rd fret of the high E string, so you got down, open, and on the up, this time you're just gonna do a up, so it's up. So then again you do the down with the pinky on the 3rd fret of the high string still there, and make sure you strum from the D string. Don't need to let that ring. We don't want this. We want. After doing down up down, you're just gonna again remove your pinky off and play high E string open, and that will be obviously a up. So we got down, add, up, down, remove. And after that we basically do down up on that F major 7 chord. Then we again add the pinky, but this time it's on the 3rd fret of the B string instead of the high E string. So we got. Now when we add the 3rd fret of the B string, so it's the one over here is useless, but still just play the shape of the chord and just add the 3rd fret on the B string, and you do down up on that. So we got down up, remove your pinky, and now do down up. That means 4 times we are playing the G string 2nd fret only. So this time only the G string 2nd fret, and this actually goes for almost all the chord shapes. So we got down, pinky add, pinky remove, play down up, pinky on the 3rd fret of the B string, down up, remove the pinky, and play G string 2nd fret twice, 4 times. You can even strum the multiple strings while picking the G string, but that's fine. Obviously that will sound better. It's definitely a bit fast, so make sure to just practice slow, and then you will get to the speed. And over here the thing which is going is likely it's a bit distorted, a bit untuned, so will not sound completely like the song. This one is much more clear, but that one is actually seems to be like out of tune. And the next chord is the D minor with the open E. Do the exact same thing what you did. Exact same thing means exact same thing. So see what I'm doing. Nice and easy. Now you come to the A minor chord, and what you do is we do A minor down, add the pinky on third fret of the high E string, do a up, then you do a down, and you strum the full chord. But at that moment you just slide the pinky on the fifth fret of the high E string. So we got. Then on the up you play the high E string open only. So then we play the B string open, and the high E string open 2 times. So we got B E B B E B E, and then we play third fret on the B string and high E string open, again third fret on the B string, then high E string open. So we got, and then you play first fret on the B string, you do a down up. So we got up. Now if you just play the full chord, it will be more better. So see what I'm doing. A minor, add the pinky, B E B E B E B B B. So we got an A minor over here. So that's basically what's going on. So we got on the A minor chord, it's a bit different. So from the beginning. And then you move on to the G major chord, and this one is a lot easy. So we just have third fret on the E string, second fret on the top A string, and we do down up down up. And then we just add the pinky on the third fret of the B string, and we do down up, and again a down up. So in total 8 times we're just playing that note. So down up, then down up, down up, down up, down up. So from the beginning, playing it very softly, just see. One thing which I forgot to tell you is when you play the G major chord, make sure that you play the first note open, so down, high E string is open, on the up you add the pinky, again on the down you have the pinky, then you remove the pinky on the up, and then you just put it on the third fret of the B string, and do down up, again a down up, and that's what basically is going on. So for the last time. That's basically everything. Now in case you want to strum the chords, you can just do 2 3 4 1 2 3. It always sounds so cool when you just have the keyboard fret high. The chords are actually easy, most of them are open, and this sounds so soothing. So what you can do is you follow the same chord progression. What you do is you do 1 2 3 4, and so you do 1 down on the first counts, 1 2 3, rest for 2 3, and then when you move on to the 4, you do down, which is basically a 4 and. So 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 and that's basically goes on. That's it. Now let's have a look at this bass riff. What's going on is super easy. We play third fret on the A string, so we have the third fret on the A string, and we with the pick we just do a small strum which strums the A string and the D string only. And at the same time I just do a hammer on the second fret of the D string with the index, which is free right now. And then I pick the A string and do a slide from 3 to 5. So go. And again you repeat the same thing, but now instead of sliding from 3 to 5, you're just gonna play the A string open, and that's the only difference. So go. So that's almost everything you need for this video, and for the last time I just want to play this one. And that's almost everything you need for this lesson. Now make sure to drop me one of these if this has helped you out, and subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. Just gonna bring something super special for you guys as soon as I see the vaccine is out, because it's actually too bad if I just get outside right now. It will not only affect me but a lot of people outside there, so I don't want to take that risk. So therefore I'll see you guys back in the next video. And obviously tomorrow is Music Friday, a lot of new music coming out. I'm super excited to share that with you guys, so make sure to stay tuned, and I'll see you guys back tomorrow. Bye.